Hello, I just got a new camera from Amcrest. Thought this would be a good addition to my security cameras. So I'm just gonna first unbox this and just show you guys what's inside the package. This is an Amcrest 5 megapixel, 2.8 millimeter lens, IP67 waterproof camera. So first, we're just gonna open this up and see what's inside. Oh, right, nice. First we kind of see a quick start guide. Great, PoE setup, troubleshooting facts, everything. Security notice. Oh, 1 month free Amcrest cloud subscription. And a good warranty. Oh, and I think next we see a mounting plate that comes with this. Let's put this aside. Yep, that looks like the mounting plate. And there's the mounting bracket right there. All right. What we see, mounting hardware. And this looks like where the wires are going to plug into to keep the wires safe and not wet. Nice foam packaging. All right. And then we got the camera. Let's take a look at this. This is supposed to be a pretty lightweight camera. Yep, it is. And that's what we have with the box right there. And there we go. That's the camera right there. All right, let's take a close look at the camera. Let's take this out of the bag. I'm excited to get this camera. I want to see how this compares to my other cameras. I have a few other cameras which I will be comparing to once I get this installed, but there is a camera with the little protector on the front side. Seems like there's the microphone input, if you could see that. There's a little hole right there. I don't know if you could see that, but yeah. Look at the other side. Mounting. Here's the Cat 5 for PoE. And I guess this is the alternate power if we need it. And I guess this will be plugged into there. Let's see how this mount fits. Looks like this will be going through that way. Let's see. Oh, looks like it mounts this way. And it's gonna mount and it snaps in. Okay. That seems like that'll be a pretty easy install. Either gonna mount it, probably mount it on the wall that way so it looks out. And that's probably the way I'm gonna do it. Cool. All right. Well, I look forward to some other future videos when I actually mount this and I'll test out some footage, but this is the first unboxing video. So this is what you get inside the box of an Amcrest ProHD outdoor security IP camera. So this is PoE, power over Ethernet, and I'm excited. I'm gonna add this to my camera collection. All right, see you guys next time.